So I just taught you guys modules. So now I'm going to teach you about units. So what is a unit? Well, a unit is basically a way of separating your program into different files. Like if you've ever programmed in Java, you can separate all your classes into different files, and then you have one main class. That's your main file. Well, it works the same with this. So to make this a unit, at the very beginning I type unit, like this. Now, a unit can only contain one module, one class, one monitor, whatever. It can only contain one. So, this is my entire file. So, I can save it now as whatever I want to call it. I'll call it units 1, like that. So now it has a name. So now I have another program. Let's say I want to make another unit. So I could do the same thing. I'm going to quickly make a unit. So now I have a simple module called bad. It has 2 procedures, terrible and unbelievable. So now I'm ready to use these. So now let's make our program. So to be able to use these modules, you got to import them. So at the beginning of your program, you got to make an import statement like this, and then you type the name of your module, so fun, and then in, and then you type your file name, so units1.t. And keep in mind, when you're making a large program with different files, you should have all the files in one folder so that you don't have to type a whole path and it just gets harder and more complex. So just keep it in the same file. So now I can use my fun dot, what is it now? Printing, and then fun dot, what was the other one? Double. There we go. Now, to be able to run this program, I gotta save it, because right now, your computer doesn't know where this file is. So, you gotta save it. Let's do it. And it worked. It prints 10, which is what I wanted it to do. So now, we're going to import the other one from units 2. Now, you're probably thinking, import bad in units2.t like this. This leads to a syntax error. Syntax error at import. I'm importing it. Why is there a syntax error? Well, because you shouldn't have more than one import statement. So you can get rid of that, and then put a comma to separate the files and modules in different files. So now I'm going to use bad.
So bad dot terrible, bad dot unbelievable.
10, you are just awful, you failed to impress me. There we go. It worked. So this is how you can use units to be able to separate your program into different files. So my next video is going to be all about classes. So stay tuned.